Have you ever wanted to unfollow someone on LinkedIn? Maybe it's someone who posts something that you don't like or posts on controversial topics. Whichever the reason, today I'm going to show you how you can unfollow connections on LinkedIn. But before that, hit the like and subscribe button below and let's get started. The first thing you want to do is to log into your LinkedIn account. The moment you log into your LinkedIn account, you are going to be on your LinkedIn homepage. From here, you would want to navigate to the top and click on My Network. Once you're in My Network, you would want to click on Manage My Network. When you click on the drop down arrow, you'll be able to see all your connections, contacts, following and followers. Click on Following and Followers. From your follower page, you can take a look at all of your followers in a list format over here. So if you continue scrolling down, you can see all of your followers listed over here. And what you can do is that you can scroll down until you find one of them. And then at the right hand corner over here, you will see the following button. If you would like to unfollow them, click the following button and you will be prompted with an unfollow notification. Unfollow or cancel. This is where you can proceed on to click unfollow. If you would like to unfollow a specific person that you already have in mind, head over to the top of your LinkedIn navigation, click on the search bar right over here and type in the name of the person. So in this case, I'll type in Justin and I'll click on the result that comes up. I would see his search profile over here, and what I would do is that I would click on following and I will again be prompted to see unfollow Justin Welsh. I can either click cancel or unfollow. Click the like button below and the subscribe button below to get more notifications and to support this channel.